Hi, beautiful, beautiful organic plums, beautiful organic tomato, my first paprika, pepper, as you call it, blackberries, beautiful organic pears, and the beautiful, beautiful beans. This is definitely a gift. I'm very, very thankful. Can you believe I've been waiting over 1 year to have one apple, one paprika, couple of tomatoes, couple of berries. This is not a lot, but it's something, and I'm very happy. I'm very thankful because Mother Nature has given this to me for free. Wow, definitely the life. Thank you. I love you.